बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you for covering our event. As you know, this event, आज का जो event है, it's a very special event because we are going to be raising money for Shaukat Khanum Cancer Hospital, which is being built in Peshawar. और आप लोगों की जो support है, आज आप देख रहे हैं कि inshallah we'll have over 500 people, and our objective today is to raise 100,000. And I am positive कि with the support that we have, we will be able to raise it. आपको मालूम है कि शौकत खानम हॉस्पिटल इस वक्त एशिया का सबसे बेस्ट कैंसर हॉस्पिटल है. इस वक्त वो 75% ऑफ द पीपल जो वहाँ जाते हैं, जो पुअर हैं, नीडी हैं, 75% उनकी फुल फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस होती है. कुछ उनमें से बहुत ज़्यादातर रेशियो में वो बिल्कुल फ्री इलाज होता है उनका, गरीबों का. तो इससे बड़ी और नेमत हम लोगों के लिए क्या होगी कि हम एक ऐसा ही अस्पताल जिसमें रिसर्च फैसिलिटी है वो हम एक पेशावर में बनाएंगे, जहाँ सारे ट्राइबल एरिया से, इंटीरियर ऑफ पाकिस्तान से, फ्रंटियर से वो सारे के सारे लोग इससे फैज़याब होंगे. सो आई वांट टू थैंक एवरीवन दैट हैज़ अटेंडेड टुडे. इट्स अ स्पेशल नाइट एंड आई वांट टू थैंक यू एंड थैंक साबिर कि जो आया और जो कवरेज दे रहे हैं, इसका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
बड़ी मेहरबानी है जो ये ही इज़ पेइंग अटेंशन टू द नीड्स ऑफ द फ्रंटियर Pukhtunkhwa, and inshallah this will be a very good project among many other projects that he is intending to do, and the people of Pukhtunkhwa will be very grateful to him. It was a very dire need, and inshallah people will benefit from
no
it.
To Khalid Usman, regardless of the cause, and he is always raising money for so many good causes. And of course tonight we'll be raising money for a wonderful cancer hospital in Peshawar, Pakistan, and I'm thrilled to do my part.
What a pleasure of mine and for all the Torontonians to be here for the fundraising for Shaukat Khanum Memorial Hospital in Peshawar. Alhamdulillah, I think it is another step for the Shaukat Khanum to open up another of their branches in Peshawar, and we are all very happy, and we are all here in Toronto to raise funds for a very, very noble cause.
I think it's wonderful that a bunch of Canadians who have Pakistani ancestry are gathered here tonight to donate funds for a cancer hospital in Peshawar.
It's a pleasure to be here for a very worthy cause, and we love the work that Khalid has been doing on behalf of the charity, and it's a pleasure to be invited. Thank you.
It's an excellent charity program for Pakistan, and we are proud to be here to assist and be part of that program.
I'm a co-chair of a cricket field project in Thorncliffe. So as a proponent of cricket, anything that has to do with Imran Khan for me is fine.
I'm here to honor this meeting today for contribution to Khanum Hospital. I would like to suggest another name instead of Shaukat Khanum Hospital. There should be some personalities from Peshawar or from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The name of the hospital should be one of those people who belong to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa.
I love to do that, and a couple of my family members, they suffer with the cancer, so I really always want to donate whatever I can.
Imran Khan fundraising dinner. So inshallah we are hoping to collect over crore rupees for Pakistan.
We are here for Imran Khan fundraising. Inshallah Taala 100,000 से ऊपर हम बनाएंगे.
इमरान खान के सपोर्टर हैं जी. एक मुल्क के लिए पॉजिटिव आदमी काम कर रहे हैं, उनको सपोर्ट करना हम सबका फर्ज है.
हम इस सिलसिले में इकट्ठे हुए हैं इस मकसद के साथ, इस उम्मीद के साथ, इस जज्बे के साथ कि इंशाअल्लाह पाकिस्तान में वो लोग जो कि कैंसर के पेशेंट हैं और अपना ट्रीटमेंट जो है उसका इलाज नहीं करा सकते हैं, वो इस तरह की जो काविशें हैं, इस तरह की जो कोशिशें हैं, उसकी वजह से वो भी अपने कैंसर का इलाज करा सकेंगे.
Cancer through the application of modern methods of curative and palliative therapy, irrespective of their ability to pay, the education of healthcare professionals and the public, and perform research into the causes and treatment of cancer. With such a goal in mind, we all gather here tonight in helping to build the second branch of Shaukat Khanum Memorial Center Hospital in Peshawar.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu anfiqu min tayyibati ma kasabtum
I'd like to call on the guy who's going to empty your wallets by the end of the evening, Mr. Khalid Osman, who's the chair of the event, to come up. Khalid?
For those of you joining us this evening for the first time, a brief explanation of the purpose of this event is in order. It is to help raise money for Shaukat Khanum Cancer Hospital, now being set up in Peshawar, Pakistan. I've been raising a lot of money for the hospital when Imran Khan used to come to Canada in the past. Now once again, we need to raise money for the second location which is being built in Peshawar. Donors have been good to us over the years and we have been able to raise substantial amounts. There are many VIPs in this evening's audience acknowledging us by their presence.
Noble cause directly relates to Pakistan, the country which I represent over here as Consul General, and makes me immensely proud of what our community is doing over here. And definitely, like me, all those who hail from Pakistan originally, and they are Canadian citizens over here, so they have shouldered double responsibility.
I'm certainly pleased that we could support such a wonderful cause in building something after Imran Khan's mother, who suffered from cancer and was honored by having a hospital named after her, Shaukat Nam, and certainly the first and only state-of-the-art hospital that treats the poorest of cancer patients within Pakistan, that was built almost 20 years ago.
Treatment of cancer patients in Pakistan. We're all very grateful. I've never been to a fundraiser in Toronto, and I'm, let us say, a little bit amazed by the turnout.
आप जानते हैं कि शौकत खानम हॉस्पिटल पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा खैराती इदारा है और ये सिर्फ चलता है आवाम की मदद से, और आप जैसे लोग अगर इसमें हमारी मदद ना करें तो हम ये वाहिद पाकिस्तान का स्पेशलाइज्ड कैंसर हॉस्पिटल और दुनिया में वाहिद कैंसर हॉस्पिटल जो 70% मरीजों का मुफ्त इलाज करता है, हम इसको ना चला सके। लाहौर में हमने हॉस्पिटल की कैपेसिटी तकरीबन डबल कर दी है, हमने इसमें एक्सटेंशंस किए हैं, इसको डबल किया है और इसमें हमने 12 नए इंटेंसिव केयर के यूनिट्स लगाए हैं, हम एक नया सीटी स्कैनर लगाने लगे हैं, नई MRI मशीन लगाने लगे हैं और 2 रेडियोलॉजी की मशीन लगाने लगे हैं। इस ज़ाहिर सब के लिए हमें पैसा चाहिए, जो इंशाल्लाह जो भी पैसा इकट्ठा होगा वो इस तरफ जाएगा।
What is the final amount? About 170? Okay. Anyways, $170,000. I thank you very much. I really appreciate. And you know what? This is the greatest audience I've ever seen. It is really amazing. And I thank you for being so gracious and giving here and raise $10,000. So my dear friend Jimmy K. Janis, come on up at the stage and I want to see your talent.
It's very simple. You either come up here and give your money, put it on the floor, or I'll come and take it from your pockets. So Khalid,
Yes, sir.
how about you start by putting 20 bucks down right over here?
Whatever you say.
20 bucks. Come on. Come around, put 20 bucks. Now, I know that if I was going to say
that everyone here tonight is 100% dedicated to supporting Shaukat Khanum and keeping this important hospital and research institution going strong into the future. I hope everyone has enjoyed themselves tonight.